How tables in SQL are similar to classes and objects in object-oriented programming. SQL is a relational database where data is stored in tables, that is in rows and columns format. Each table in SQL is inspired by real-world entities or real-world object. For example, if we are storing data of students, then we will create a table with the name student, which will have columns such as name of the student and their email ID. We can consider these tables as similar to classes in OOP. Classes are also representation of real-world entities, and properties of these real-world entities such as name and email IDs of a student are added as a variables in these classes. Objects in OOP are instance or example of these classes which has actual values of this variable. For example, we can have one object for student Ross which will have name as Ross and email as ross@gmail.com. So tables in SQL are similar to classes in OOP. Variables of the classes represent their properties which are similar to columns in SQL table which also represent properties of the table. Objects are example of that classes that contains actual value of the variable.